Mahindra Thar 2021 has stepped up its game from the previous model in many aspects. Now that the new Thar looks more attractive and yet while retaining its rigid bodyline, it has piqued the interest of not only adventure lovers but also daily users. So let's find out quickly with 10 things why you should buy this car. Mahindra Thar has been improved to be used for daily purposes and adventures as well. Handsome Jeep styling, brute character and tough build too. Far more user friendly than the old Thar due to superior interiors and amenities. Very competent refined turbo petrol and diesel engine range. Butter smooth 6-speed automatic transmission is available with both engines. It has 4x4 hardware, off-road capability and 226 mm ground clearance, so no terrain is a problem. You can take your pick. Practical hardtop and fun convertible options are available in the Thar. Features such as removable doors, ESP, cruise control, hill hold or descent and TPMS are included. You can say it's a safe car with a 4-star rating in the Global NCAP crash test. Good thing for soft top lovers is that the interior is designed to be drizzle resistant. So those are the 10 things why you should buy this car. And now let's move on to the things that you should look out for. Very bumpy ride quality. The Thar is never settled no matter what the road or speed. Poor road manners at high speed. It is best to cruise between 90 and 110 kmph only. It is impractical due to the 2 doors, 4 seats and difficult access to the back seat. The laughably small boot simply isn't enough for holiday luggage. Petrol automatic is thirsty due to its hefty weight, 150 bhp and automatic torque converter. Premium pricing for the higher variants. That's a lot of money for Thar's limited usability. Sad feature list for a 17 lakh rupees car. There is no reverse camera, auto dimming interior rear view mirrors, auto headlamps and wipers, rear wash and wipe and electrically folding mirrors. Though it is better than the old Thar at corners, it still can't take corners at speeds that the other SUVs can. While the spare tire is mounted to the tailgate, you almost lose 60% of rear view. The rear side windows don't roll down in the hardtop variant. So these are the things that you should be considering before buying the 2021 Mahindra Thar. If you would like to watch more videos from us, please subscribe to AutoShare India and also press the bell icon to get notified on our new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.